Hi everyone. In previous video, we have discussed about the process of absorption of digested food in small intestine. We have also seen that small intestine consists of millions of microscopic finger-like projections, which are known as villi. Okay, and we have also discussed the longitudinal structure of one villus. Okay, so in this video, let's again revise how small intestine is actually adapted for the process of absorption of digested food. Now we already know that small intestine is having two parts, duodenum and ileum. Okay, so in duodenum, mostly digestion of nutrients occur. Okay, and in ileum, absorption of digested food occurs. Okay, so small intestine is generally very long and it's about 5 meters in an adult human. Okay, these are the features and how this helps in absorption to take place. So as small intestine is very long, about 5 meters in an adult human, so this gives plenty of time for the digestion to complete. Okay, and also after the process of digestion gets completed, the digested food can be easily absorbed. Okay, why? Because the digested food passes down through small intestine slowly, as small intestine is very long. Okay, it's about 5 meters in an adult human. Then we have discussed this already in the previous video. Small intestine has villi. Okay. Now this each villus is actually covered with cells which have even smaller projections on them, which are known as microvilli. So small intestine, the inner wall of small intestine is actually covered with millions of microscopic projections, which are known as villi. Okay, these are the finger-like projections. It increases surface area for the process of absorption. Okay, and each villi on the top, okay, for example, if this is one villi, so each villi on the top still has many smaller projections, and these smaller projections are known as microvilli. So these smaller projections are known as microvilli, and this one is villi. Okay, so villi and microvilli. So both villi and microvilli are finger-like projections, and they actually increases the surface area for the process of absorption of digested food. Okay, and we already know if surface area will be more, so the absorption of digested food will be faster. Next adaptation is villi contain blood capillaries. Now this is important because blood is actually the fluid or tissue present in a body which will take all these digested nutrients from small intestine to various body parts, isn't it? Because blood actually helps in transportation, and this you have already learned in lower classes. So digested nutrients like monosaccharides, okay, amino acids, water, minerals and vitamins, and some fats passes into the blood. Okay, so what are the nutrients which are actually absorbed into the blood capillaries? These are monosaccharides. Monosaccharides means simple sugars like glucose, fructose, okay, galactose, etc. And amino acids are formed by complete digestion of protein. Okay, then water, minerals and vitamins. Here when I say vitamins, so it's only water soluble vitamins, that is vitamin B and vitamin C. Okay, and some fat, they are absorbed into the blood capillaries. Next adaptation is villi contains lacteals. Now lacteals are again the vessels like blood vessels, okay, and these form the part of lymphatic system. About this you're going to learn in unit 9, human transportation system. Okay, so villi contains lacteal, and the importance of lacteal in villi is because we consume large amount of fat in our diet. This fat gets digested into fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, so these fats are actually absorbed into the lacteals and not into the blood capillaries. Okay, so remember, lacteals, they absorb fat, and fat means fatty acids, glycerol, lipids and the fat soluble vitamins. So fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K. Okay, so vitamin A, D, E and K are fat soluble vitamins, and they are absorbed into the lacteals present in villi. And the next one is the last feature, villi have only one cell thick. Okay, villi have a wall which is made up of only one layer of cell. How this is beneficial is because if there is only one layer of cell, okay, this is a villi, okay, so this villi is actually made up of only one layer of cell like this. Okay, all these are cells and they make only one layer of cell around the villi. Now, how this is beneficial? This is beneficial because, for example, there's outside a glucose molecule. This glucose molecule has to enter inside the villi and gets absorbed into this blood capillaries, okay, in the network of this blood capillaries. So this glucose molecule actually has to cross only one particular cell in order to get absorbed into the blood in the blood capillaries. Okay, so if villi is one cell thick, this actually reduces the diffusion distance, and hence the absorption process becomes faster. So these were the adaptations of the small intestine. Here in this picture, I'll just explain you two very important points related to the transportation of these molecules or absorption of these molecules. Okay, because this question is generally asked in IGCSE paper. When we talk about small molecules like water, amino acids, sugar, and some fats, minerals, and vitamins, these are absorbed into the capillaries. Okay, this blue one shows capillaries. Okay, these are absorbed into the capillaries. Now what happens is, when we talk about water, okay, amino acids, and then minerals, vitamins, and some fats, all these are absorbed into these blood capillaries by the process of diffusion. Okay, water is actually mainly absorbed into the blood capillaries by the process of diffusion. Okay, and when we talk about these nutrients like amino acids, sugar, then minerals, vitamins, and some fat, all these are absorbed by active transport. Now the difference between active transport and diffusion, we have already learned in unit number 3, that is movement in and out of cells. Okay, so you can refer those videos. Understand? And here this blue arrow shows some fats are absorbed into the lacteals. Okay, that's it. So only this much in this video. In next video, we will talk about assimilation of food. Take care till then. Bye-bye.